welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'll be cooking again. I'll be making cornmeal porridge or porridge from me and Moya. Stay tuned and watch my video for more details on how I cook my porridge my way. It's my way, so anybody can want judge but it's just my way how I do it. So guys, subscribe, comment and share my video, and like if you like this video. Thanks guys for watching. What we'll be using to make the porridge today is some refined cornmeal, some vanilla, nutmeg, the whole one, coconut milk, cinnamon leaf, salt, and some almond spice. So I'm going to wash my hands because you're always gonna have somebody say, oh, she's cooking and I don't know. She said she washed her hands. So first I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna fill this pot with some water to boil. I'm gonna add one teaspoon of salt into the water, and I'm gonna turn on the stove to let the water boil. And after the water is boiled, I'm gonna add my cornmeal into the pot. When you add your cornmeal, you want to make sure that you always mix out your cornmeal with some water first, or may always mix out your cornmeal, because if you add it in the pot just like that, it's gonna lump up. It's gonna have some lumps. It's gonna be lumpy. So it's best for you to always add water first to it and mix it. So I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. When you're gonna add it to the water, you have to get a spoon, and while you're adding it, you have to stir it like this, so it doesn't get lumped up. I don't like nothing about my porridge look. I don't like lumping up porridge. I don't like that. So you have to stir it. As you add it, just stir it. Make sure it's always stir it. Now we're gonna add our coconut milk. We're gonna add our cinnamon leaves. We're gonna add our cinnamon leaves, yes. I'm going to add half tablespoon of vanilla. Or maybe two. I'm going to add 2. So that's 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna add half tablespoon of almond spice. To add 1 whole nutmeg, but I have to grate it first. Now we're gonna add this. I'll leave it for about 15 minutes to boil, because cornmeal burn chest You want it to boil good. And I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes to boil, and then after that we're gonna add our sweet milk or sweetener. You can add sugar, you can add condensed milk. You see guys, it's boiling up. It's ready to be sweetened. I'm gonna add we're going to add our sweetener, all of it, because we're not adding any sugar. Yes, we're not adding any, so we're going to use all the milk. You see guys, I'm finished, and I'm gonna share my portion of the porridge. As you can see guys, this is the finish. It's finished, and this is what my porridge look like. Thanks for watching my video guys. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Leave a comment on how you make your porridge.